If you have a business that trades goods, creating a packing note is very important. The packing note is a description of the delivered goods with invoicing. In this video, we explain how to create a packing note with Invoicing Office. The packing note is usually created directly from another document, for example, an invoice, quote, or an order confirmation. In this example, we will create a packing note from an invoice. Go to your sales invoices and open the relevant invoice for which you want to create the packing note. Click at the top right on Actions, then click on Create a Packing Note. And an already filled packing note opens up. Check all things to see if all the information is correct and click on Send button. It opens up three options: to finalize the packing note or send it via email after finalizing. You can also create a brand new packing note if needed, without finding another document there first. To do this, click on the plus sign of other documents in the top right corner of your dashboard, then create a packing note, or go through sales packing notes to your packing note overview. Now the document is open and you can enter all the necessary data, starting with the basic data of the customer, contact person, packing note date and delivery date, then the product details, changing the quantity of the products if needed. Add your text description to the products. User print preview for a preview of your packing note. Choose Send Your Pickup Receipt has been successfully created and sent. For more videos and explanations, please visit invoiceoffice.com.